In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and upload contacts into Close CRM. This process is simple and efficient, allowing you to seamlessly manage your contacts within the Close CRM platform. Let's get started and walk through each step together. First, you'll want to navigate to your Close CRM homepage. Once you're there, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll notice a variety of options, but for this task, you'll need to click on Contacts. This is your gateway to managing all your contact-related functions within Close CRM. Once you've clicked on Contacts, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a plus icon. This icon is crucial because it enables you to add new data to your CRM. Go ahead and click on this plus icon. After you've clicked the plus icon, you'll be presented with several options. What you're looking for here is the Import Leads and Data option. Clicking on this will initiate the process of importing your contacts into Close CRM. Now, let's talk about the format of the data you're going to import. Ensure your contacts list is in a compatible format such as CSV or Excel. This makes the import process smooth and prevents any potential hiccups along the way. If your data isn't already in one of these formats, take a moment to convert it before proceeding. Once your data is ready, follow the prompts to upload your file. The system will guide you through mapping your data fields to the corresponding fields within Close CRM. This is a crucial step because it ensures that your contact information is accurately stored and easily accessible. During the import process, you'll have the option to map fields like first name, last name, email address, phone number, and any custom fields you've set up in Close CRM. Take your time with this step to ensure everything is aligned correctly. After mapping your fields, review the data one last time to ensure its accuracy. It's always a good idea to double-check before finalizing the import. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and confirm the import. Close CRM will then process the file and import your contacts. This might take a few moments depending on the size of your data. Once complete, you'll receive a notification confirming the import was successful. And there you have it. You've successfully imported and uploaded your contacts into Close CRM. This efficient process allows you to keep your contact list organized and up to date, enabling you to focus on building strong relationships with your leads and customers. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on using Close CRM effectively.